Hello, my name is Sarah Chebogen, and I'll be taking you through how Sasakazi platform works. So, Sasakazi platform is a platform that identifies, vet, and places young tech talent into businesses to work on digital projects identified by the businesses while gaining experience and experiential learning. The talents are also paired with the experienced mentors for mentorship. Um, to start with, is that this is the first page where one will be able to log into the platform, and I've already registered as a young tech talent. So when I click sign in, this is the home page of what I'm going to be able to view. As you can see, I'm able to see the projects which are already available on the platform. I can view them and I can as well apply them. So also I can see the mentors who are available and I can view their profile, check on them on their profile. I can also be able to see the number of businesses who are already in the platform, the learning resources, job opportunities, and also knowledge hub. The knowledge hub where I can also be able to learn and upskill my skills. So on the digital projects, when I click on the digital project and check on the available projects, and maybe I've already identified one which I can apply. These are the digital projects which are already available in the platform, and one can apply. So when you apply for a digital project, and also just to let you know is that one will not be able to apply for a digital project unless one has gone through the assessment, the first and the second assessment, and also gone through the interview, a virtual interview. Once he or she has been approved, they will be able to now apply and work on a digital project. So this is the overview of the available projects, and one can be able to apply. So I think I'd already applied this one. Application status is the new. So I think this one had already been awarded this. So this is actually a simple way of how it looks like an application at the digital project. And on the knowledge hub, this is how it looks like. We haven't posted any because we are hoping that we can leverage on the existing resources from 21C skills. These are the resources which already we have been using them, and we are hoping now to integrate to our platform so that our tech talents who are going to join the platform will be able to upscale their skills through the platform, through Sasakazi now. And then so this is actually the roughly of how it looks like for the young tech talent. This is now for the business. For the businesses, they will be able to log in. I've signed in Magdalene as the business, and she will be able to update the profile. Once she has already updated the profile, she can also add a digital project to the platform. So this is how she can add one. So once this project has been saved, it will appear on the Young Tech Talent platform page. So when we go back to the Tech Talent page, you see it's already available there. And then now the Young Tech Talent will be able to view the platform, check on the details of the digital project, and then maybe apply on this. So again, once Tech Talent has already applied for this digital project, the business will be able to receive the application and be able to see if to make decision if he is going to award or not award the tech talent, depending on the skills that the person has or the convening points. Yeah. So back to the business. The business also will be able to check on the knowledge hub. If one will be able to check on the resources that is available, the opportunities, and the program. So I think that will be it on how it looks, on the how Sasakazi works, and on the assessment part, on the digital tech talent, we haven't yet finalized, but the process will always be once one has already logged in as a new young tech talent, will have to go through vetting process, which it is the first assessment and the second assessment.
Thank you.